Hello, we are Luminator VR, and what our mission is to accelerate the nation's transition to virtual reality in real estate. There is a quite large pain for real estate buyers where they waste countless hours visiting sites in person because of deceptive pictures, videos, you name it, any type of media that doesn't really tell the whole story. We have, however, found a solution to this pain, which is an immersive virtual reality experience, which can put the user inside of the space which they're looking to purchase. So imagine being at home with your kids. You're in the kitchen baking some food, and you have to kind of multitask, and you can open your phone and experience a property in 360 degrees, all from the comfort of your home, without needing to look at pictures, which again don't tell the whole story. So a little bit about how this came to be. We recognized the solution you just mentioned about a little over a month ago, and then from there we met with some realtors and pitched them on the idea, acted as if we were already a company. They said, all right, come and do a demo. So within 1 week, we built the computer that could handle the rendering, we bought the hardware, we made a demo, and then that next week we presented our demo and they loved it. We sold 14 homes just from that first demo. And then since then, we've had extraordinary feedback, which has kept us going nonstop. Let me introduce you to our product. Using our unique 360-degree cameras, we capture video in every direction. So that way, when a customer wants to experience a space, they can look in every direction at any time. There is a massive market for VR tours in the US alone. Combined residential, commercial, and vacation properties create a total available market of $1.5 billion. Our business model is unique in that we empower our reps to create our product and sell our product, but disable them from being able to compete with us. And we do that by handling all of the software end. Also, we'll provide them with our national distribution channels, which will enable them to make more sales than they would have without us. Our market strategy is simple and threefold. We begin in residential. It is the low-hanging fruit, so to speak. Then we move into commercial real estate, which has larger margins but has an increased expectation for professional quality film. And then our final destination is vacation properties, which have the highest bar set for professional 360-degree videos. So how are we going to implement this market strategy that we just mentioned? We have several key partnerships in the pipeline that will enable us to reach those goals. So first off, we've met with Johnny Hanna, the co-founder of Entrada and a co-founder of a startup called Homey, which recently received funding that is trying to completely cut out the realtor. We pitched to him, he loved it, showed it to his team, they loved it. They're several months away from being capable of implementing us in their development stack, but they're very interested in doing that. Also, we have a connection with Tom Lewis, who is a local franchisee of several different hotel chains, as well as with local branches of national real estate firms that will enable us to reach that goal. Our competition in the VR space is not as crowded as you might think. There's a lot of hardware and software being created, but not an incredible amount in real estate. Matterport by far is our biggest competitor, but our customers so far have told us that we provide a more intuitive, cost-effective solution than Matterport does. So based on our market penetration in Utah County and the sales we've been able to have, we predict that we'll be able to triple in revenue each year for the next 5 years. This is based off of a 70% gross margin, leading us to $100 million in total revenue in 5 years with a $66 million gross margin. We are growing extremely quickly. In about a month, we've gotten 5 contracts for 20 homes. We've done an office building. We have huge partnerships coming, and we've got about $3,000 in revenue. We're well on our way to meeting our goal of $150,000 by August. Here's the team that's going to make this happen. Sean Burnham is an information systems major and programming guru. I'm an economics major, and I'm obsessed with virtual reality. And Charles, our advisor, is a serial entrepreneur from Silicon Valley who's is very experienced in entrepreneurship. And that is the team and the model that will scale Illuminator VR to a $100 million revenue company in 5 years.